In the desert, absence is an invitation. The rattlesnake has been waiting for this moment, drawn by warmth, by scent, toward the unguarded breath of the kittens. The kittens press together, trembling. One strike. That is all it takes. In the desert, a heartbeat can become silence in a single breath. The mother returns like a sandstorm unleashed. Instantly, she strikes. The mother turns to the fallen kitten. She grips it gently with the drawers. A dead young must not remain to attract scavengers. The snake returns, low, calculating. The mother breaks into a desperate sprint. She throws herself between the fangs and the two survivors. She is the living gate to the nursery. The mother moves with ghost-like agility. Each step calculated. Her body bends and twists with feline grace. Kittens huddle close. They cannot defend themselves. They rely entirely on their mother. Their faith hangs on her skill. The rattlesnake rises, swaying, seeking an opening at her throat. Each tests the other's limits. Rattlesnakes are ambush predators. Venom potent, lethal. It immobilizes prey instantly. Stealth and precision make it one of the desert's most efficient hunters. Teeth and scales collide in a frantic, suffocating whirlwind of sand. The rattlesnake twists and writhes, racing across the sand. Speed is its only hope, but the mother is relentless. She will not let it vanish, not without justice. The only ending she will accept is his death by her jaws. The cat's whiskers twitch forward, calculating the distance to the millimeter. Eyes fixed on the rattlesnake. One precise strike, one bite to the head, and the threat ends. It strikes with lightning speed. Fangs aimed at her throat.